Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to charge your AirPod Pros 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their AirPod Pros 2. How do you actually go ahead and charge it? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to charge your AirPod Pros 2 is that here we have a cable inlet, okay? And now there's two different ways that your AirPod Pros 2 can charge. It can either charge via lightning cable, which is this cable right over here. All right, it's this cable right over here. Let me get to focus. Or it can charge via USB-C cable, and that's this cable over here. Sorry, let me zoom in. So notice how one is skinnier than the other, okay? So there's two different types of AirPod Pro cases in which one charges via USB-C. USB-C is the thicker cable, okay? It's the thicker cable, and then lightning cable is the skinnier cable. So in my case, my AirPod Pros 2 charges via lightning cable, so you just plug it underneath, and there you have it. It is now charging. So make sure you get the right cable when it comes to actually charging your AirPod Pros 2. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and charge your AirPod Pros 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.